Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to break a curve in Affinity Designer. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so for this demonstration, I've just got a plain rectangle here. So in this rectangle, I want to remove this line from this rectangle, so to break a curve. Now, in order to do that, I want to click onto my rectangle. Then from here, at the top, we need to go ahead and click onto convert to curves. So click onto that button. Now from here, we want to go ahead and select the node tool and then click on the corners of that line. So I want to click on that corner and then shift click on the next corner. And as you can see, they are selected. Now, once this has been selected, come up the top here. I want to go ahead and click on the break curve. And now to the right, you can see that line is placed in there. So in order to remove this line from this rectangle, we can't do it yet. We can bend it in and out if you want to do that. But if you want to remove it, we need to go ahead and click on the mouse up here and then simply click onto it. And then from here, go ahead and select the line. So you can see, just go ahead and select that line. Now from here, we can go ahead and drag that away from the rectangle. Now, when you do this, try not to have everything selected. So you just want to simply go ahead and click on the curve and then remove that from that object like so.